Hi everyone. This is a test for module 1. Okay. So number 1 over here. We have a group of students. Okay. Both there are 5 after school activities over here. Okay. There's a 5 there. So how many students chose activity 3? The activity 3, how many students? Less than 40. Looks like 38, right? This is 35. So 38, yeah, 39 is the best answer, okay? Choice B is the answer. Number 2, what is percent of 300 is 75. 75 is a part, 300 is a whole, okay? When you multiply 100, it gives us what percent? It's okay? So cut us out 25%. It's the answer, okay? Or you know, simplify this one is what? 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4 is what? 25%. So number 3 over here. What's the solutions? So x squared equals what? 25 times 36, right? So after that, you can make a square over here. You're going to have plus minus this number. What is that? This number is 5 and 6, right? So 5 times 6 equals 30, plus minus 3. So we have positive solutions there, okay? This one is what? 5 square, 6 square, okay? So 5 times 6. So number 4, 8 more, 3 more than 8 times, x is just 83, okay? 8 times, what is this? Just one more minute. Sorry. 8 times number is 8x, 3 more, that equals to 83, okay? Which one is equal to this one? 8x plus 3 equals 83. Choice D is the answer, okay? Here is number 5. So, Hannah deposits a fixed amount into her bank account each month, okay? The equation up here. It's initially already 100 over here. So this is a slope rate. Every month he deposits what, $25, okay? Every month. So what is the best interpretation? 25 about this one slope. Okay, so which one represents the slope? With each monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank increased. Yeah, this is increased by 25 right? Every month increased by 25. That's the slope. Okay, choice A is the answer. Number 6, customers spend $27 to purchase orange at $3 per pound. Okay, this is $3 per pound. Okay, yeah, that is unit rate. Okay, how many pound? Okay, 1 pound is $3. 27 divided by 3 is what? 9 pound. Okay, or you can use right proportion. This is a 1 pound. Okay, if we got the $27, how many pounds of it? Cross multiplications, x is a 9 also. Okay. All right, number 7. The guy's 9 storage bins to buy this one. He used what? $63 coupons. Okay, coupon is $63. Okay, so after coupon he paid what, 20. So after coupon he paid 27, right? Yeah, that is what he paid this month. So what is the original price? Original price of some of this one, okay? 90 is the original price. Okay, so out of a 90, 63 with coupon, the other one is like cash $27. But over here we are not done. Okay, one storage bin. This is for the one 9 storage, okay? When you divide up 9, one storage is what? $10. Okay, that's the answer. Here is number 8. This is the linear function. Which equation defines this one? First, we're gonna find the slope over here. Okay, 32 minus 29, 1 minus 0. That's the slope. Slope is what? 3. Okay, we already y-intercept. 29 is y-intercept when x equals 0. So y equals what? 3x plus 29 is this. Okay, Or you can put this number into the y equations, which will satisfy it, okay? This is number 9. They are similar. Okay, they are similar. PQR, STU, PQR, STU. Okay, they are corresponding vertex over here, okay? So Q is 18. This is 18. What is the measurement angle S? This is 18. This is also 18. The other one is what? Complementary. Okay. Sum of these two angles is 90. So 90 minus 18 is what? 72 is the answer. Okay. Here is number 10. We have a scatter plot. Which of the following is the most appropriate linear model for the linear model is a line of best fit around over here, okay? That is the linear model. What is the equation of this line of best fit? Okay, slope is negative. This slope is positive, no good, positive, no good. We have two choices over here. Slope is negative. But take a look, it's a y-intercept. Y-intercept can be, this is no good, right? Okay, it's around up here. Okay, so 9.4 is better, okay, than this one. 9.9 is over here, okay? Okay, this 0.9 is too low, right? I'm sorry, it's not 9. This is 0.9 too low, okay? So this is the best answer, okay? 9.4. Here is 11. So we have the equations describe the relation, okay, between B and R, okay? B is the bird, reptile is R. So we have 16 reptiles. This is R is 16. 5 times 16 is what? 80. So how many birds there? This already canceled out 0, okay? So B equals to 0, okay? Here you go, number 12. What's the equation over here? Y-intercept is negative 8. They're all negative 8. What's the slope? Negative 8, negative 8, right? Negative slope, same distance. Negative 1 is slope, okay? So negative 1x. Choice C is the answer. X over 8 is 5. What is the 8 over 8? The reciprocal. 1 over 5, okay? Reciprocal again. That's the answer. Number 14. What is the value of y? To avoid the confusion, okay? Just eliminate the x. Or after you find the value of x, you can find the value of y. It doesn't matter, okay? I'm going to do times 4 here. That's 24 times 4, that is what? 288. I'm going to subtract over here. 24 is out, y minus 4y is negative 3y equals what? Negative 240, okay? So y equals negative 33, that is 80 is the answer, okay? But you can use, right, subtract over here, eliminate the y first. That is 18x equals how much? 72 minus 48, right? That is 24, isn't it? It's correct. Let me see. 18x minus 72 minus 48. That is 24. Okay. After that, you can find x, find out the value of y. Okay. But I like this one, okay, to avoid the confusion. All right, number 15. So slope is negative 1/3. Pass through this one. So y equals negative 1/3 of x and plus b. Okay. All right. So when x is 9, y is 10. When x is 9 over here, that is what? Negative 3 plus b. Okay. The value of b equals what? 13, right? That is 13. So out of this one, which one is it? Y-intercept is 13. Choice D. Right, number 16, we have 206, 1 point over here. That is exponential function, okay? So over here, anyway, f over 5 equal to, so f over 5 equals to 243. What that means? Okay? After what? X equals, where is the x? X equals the number of years, okay? So after 5 years, f of x is, what is that? Bank account balance, okay? In his bank account after 5 years, it is $243. Okay, so which one is equal to this one? So after 5 is over here. Okay, this is from 1957, I think. Okay, yeah. So 5 years over here, 5 plus 1962, right? In 1962, it is a bank account the balance is what 243. Okay, this is not this one. To be approached $200 in 1960, right? That is correct. That's the balance. Okay, not 5 times. Okay, not between this one. This is number 17 for a certain rectangular region. The ratio of its length is what 35 to 10. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. The length to width equals what 35 over 10. That's the ratio. But the ratio this one is increased by 7 units. Double increased by 7. That's just 17. Okay, this is the variable y. I'm gonna take this y. So cross multiplication 10y equals 35 times 17. You can divide by 10. 35 times 17. Use your calculator, okay? I'm going to use my calculator this time. 35 times 17. That is equals to 559 over 10. It is okay? When you divide by 10, 59 over 5, right? So how much increased from here to here? Minus 35 over here, 24.5 increase. Okay, not decreased. This is correct. The number 18, square p as the side of x. Okay, this is the p side of the x. Q as a perimeter is 176 greater than perimeter. This perimeter is 4 of x. Plus 176. That's the perimeter of a new square, right? But when you divide it by 4, each side is how much? X plus 44. It's okay? That is another dimensions of new square. What is the area of this cube? Okay, this is square, right? Choice A is this, okay? Width equals to length. All right, this is number 19. Okay, how can you find W? W is inside the radical. First, we can divide by 2, but this one better simplify first. 14 divided by 7 is 2x, okay? So 2x over 7 equals what? 2, W plus 19 divided by 2 again. This is out, okay? This is out. I'm sorry, this is y. This is out. So x over y, so make a square. X over y square equals what? W minus plus 19. What is W? Minus 19 there, okay? So x squared over y squared over minus 19. Okay, this is correct, okay? Here is the number 20. Point O is the center of a circle. So, length of arc. This is we said what? Measure of arc intercepted, right? Write down, usually we write down this angle is what? On the arc. So what is the measure of a degree associated angle R or S? This is R, this is R, this is S, this is O, right? Which is central angle equal to this one, intercepted arc. Still 100, okay? And the number 21, expressway in exponent form, okay? So 5 over 5, the first one is what? You understand, right? X to the A over B equals what? B's root X to the A, right? When you go back over here, A over B, okay, so 6 times 5, 3 to the 1. 5 over 5 is 1. X to the 1. 45 over 5 is 9, okay? And times 8. 2 to the 8 over 8 is 1, okay? So X to the 1. 1 over 8 is 1 over 8. That's right. Now simplify this one. 6 times 3 times 2 is 36. X to the what? 9 plus 1 over 8. 9 plus 1 over 8 equals what? 73 over 8, right? Because this is what? 72 over 8, right? 73 over 8. Okay. So what is the value of A and B? It's same form of here, right? A equals 36. B equals what? 73 over 8. Okay, this is B. Oh, this is a weird answer. So this is 288 over 3 plus 73 over 8. Use your calculator to avoid the confusion, right? So it looks like a 361, right? This I'm going to make sure. 288 plus 73. 361 over 8. Okay, that's the answer. All right, this is number 22. A right triangle has a side, the length is what? This is the longest one. This is actually red 80, right? This is 2 red 2. This is 6 red 2. This is what? Right triangle is said already. What is their leg times leg divided by 2. Okay, you can divide by 2 over here. What is that? 6 times 2 is what? 12 is the area of that triangle. Here is the number 23. Express 4x plus px minus 45. Okay, this is quadratic replaced with what? Factored form. But up here, h, k, j is integer number. B is not integer, right? B is we don't know any real. B is right any real. But over here, h, k, j must be integer value. Which of the following must be integer? Okay, it should be integer over here. So we can express this one. Okay, so 4x squared minus bx minus 45. That is equals to what? Factor the form, right? H of x plus k and x plus j over here. Okay. So when you expand over here, what is the h x squared and k times x and jhx and j times k is what? jk, right? Here we go. hx squared plus k plus jh x and plus jk. We know that h equals 4, right? H equals 4. I'm going to replace this one. 4x squared plus k plus h equals 4 is about 4j, right? And x plus jk. Okay. So we got all information over here. Okay. H equals 4. And what about b equals what? K plus 4j. And jk equals what? Negative 45. Okay. Using this one, which one is the express integer? B over h. B we don't write any real. This is a 4 here. If b is 1 over 2, that is not the integer, right? This is also no. Okay. Because what? K is integer of this 4. K is integer. B is what? Also 1 over 2. This is not integer, right? What about 45 over 4? We already got h equals 4 here. This is not. They're all wrong. This is the answer, right? Anyway, so why this is the answer? 45 over k. Okay. K is over here. You know that h, j, k are integer, right? Can you express k over here? K equals how much? Negative 45 over j, isn't it? Put over here. 45 over k equals negative 45 over j. What is this one? Negative j, isn't it? That is equals to negative j. J is integer, negative is also integer, right? It can be negative. If j is positive, this is negative. Still, it is integer, okay? Choice D is the answer. Here is the number 24. In the given equations, the system has exactly 1 point in the xy plane. What is the value of x? The graph looks like this one, okay? I'm going to just this is a graph. Open a board. This is a positive rate. Slope is going to be looks like this way. It has a point over here. We're going to find the y x coordinate of this point. I'm going to this point is y x and x1, y1, okay? So the value of this xy. This they use the xy. So we're going to find the value of x, this number, okay? The better is discriminant, right? It has only 1 point. right? So 2x squared minus 20x, a lot of discriminant. This is 3x plus a, 2x squared minus 21, x minus 3x is minus 24x. So plus 64 and minus a equals 0, okay? So what is discriminant? This d equals how much? Square root? Not square root. b squared minus 4 times ac, okay? b is a negative 24, so negative 24 squared minus 4 times a is 2. C is what? Constant, 64 minus a. It must be 0, right? To have only one point, which is what? Tangent, okay? Let's find out. This is what? 576. This is 8 minus 8 and 64 minus a equals 0. That is equals 0. This is equals to 8. Okay, same thing. When you divide by 8 over here, 64 minus a equals how much? 72, right? So from here, a equals how much? Negative 8. It's okay. A equals to negative 8. Negative 8 is 72. But they're asking you the value of x, point of intersections. Okay, not a, okay? You have to solve this one again. So this one is now 8. Okay, anyway, discriminant is 0, okay? So we're gonna find out from here, okay? We already got the answer over here, the equation over here. The equation now, 2x squared minus 24x plus 64 minus a is how much? 72, right? 64 minus a is 72 equals 0. When you divide by 2, x squared minus 12x and plus 36 equals to 0, okay? You know this is x minus 6 equals 0, isn't it? That is a perfect square trinomial, right? Okay, so x equals 6, that's it, okay? One number, okay? Or you can use like quadratic formula, it doesn't matter, okay? That is number 24. Remember, they're not asking you the value of a, they're asking you what? The value of x of the intersection, okay? Here is the number 25. Isosceles right triangle has hypotenuse length is what? This is 58. What of this one? Divided by red 2, right? Divided by red 2, isn't it? If we have over here, this is a, this is isosceles, this is a red 2. But we go back over here. Divided by red 2, okay? Divide by red 2. So preliminary is what? This one simplify. 58 red 2 over 2, isn't it? Red 2 times red 2, right? So this is what? 29 red 2. This also what? 29 red 2. Total is how much? 58 plus twice of this one is what? 58 red 2 is the answer, okay? So C is the answer. Here is the number 26. This is a parabola at the vertex, okay, and oh, this one a little confused. Let me say, the equation of the parabola is written in this form. This one is what? General form, okay, which is a kind of a standard form. But this is, you can use a vertex form over here, okay? So ax squared plus bx plus c, this is exactly equals to what? A is out vertex form is what? X minus 9, this is vertex, okay? And the minus 14, isn't it? Different expression by exactly what? Equivalent. It's gonna have the same expressions, okay? I'll provide this one too. So we're gonna find what? A plus b plus c. Okay, another one over here, let me say, I lost over here. This one is, looks like this one, negative 9 and 14 over here. That's the vertex. Here is what? Intersection what? At 2 points. The graph is not here, right? There's no intersection. The graph is open upward. That means what? A must be positive, isn't it? It should satisfy this one, I think. Okay. So what is the A plus B plus C? The easiest way you can write it way x equals 1 there. Put this number x equals 1, what you got? A plus b plus c equals 8 times minus x is 1 minus, this is 1 minus 8, 9 is what? Negative 8 squared is what? 64, right? and minus 14, isn't it? So what is the value of this one? There's a 4 possible there. Actually, a plus b plus c, the value of this one equals to what? 64a minus 4, that equals the possible value of a we chose. Okay, if this one is same thing, negative 23. Check it out. What is this? 64a equals what? Negative 9, isn't it? Plus 14, that is what? Negative 9. But when you take it over here, divided by 64, a is negative. When a is negative, the graph is open downward. That is not working. The next one, if this is what? Negative 19. Plus 14 is still negative 5, right? Okay. So plus 14, still it has a negative 5. So 64a is still negative 5. A still, when you divide by 64, a still negative. That doesn't work. What about negative 14? 64a minus 14 equals negative 14. A is 0. That is not quadratic, okay? That is linear. That is not working. The last one is what? 64a minus 14 is what? Negative 12. 64a equals what? Plus 14 plus 1, 2, right? A is positive when you divide by 64. That's fine. Okay? But this is the possible value for a, okay? This is a little hard, okay? I don't know why they give like this type of questions, okay? The number 6 a little hard. But if you understand, okay, when you put this number x equal 1, okay, after checking out the value of a is positive, okay, it's okay, right? Okay. So number 27 over here. You have a function f of x. This one is what is that? Prove here. New function equals what is that? Negative ax plus b and minus 15 again, right? That translation, okay? Vertical, okay, move right by 15 units down, okay? But this time, y-intercept is what? When x equals 0, negative 99 over 7 on this graph, okay? Y equals to negative 99 over 7. When x equals 0, that is 1, right? So negative 1 plus b minus 15. This equals what? B minus 16, okay? So what is the value of b? What is the value of b? Plus 16 both sides. So 16 plus minus 99 over 7. What is this one? 112, right? Over 7 minus 99. 13 over 7. It's okay. That is the value of b. But they're asking the value of a. Okay, they gave this one. Product of this one. 8 times b. 8 times b equals 65 over 7. But we got the right b already. Put this number b. 13 over 7 equals 65 over 7. How can you find the a? You multiply to reciprocal, right? 7 over 13. So 7 over 13 is out. A equals how much? 65 times 7 is out. This is 1. 65 divided by 13 is 5, right? So 5 is the answer, okay? But you got to be careful. They're not asking you the value of b. They're asking you the value of a, okay? That's why this is given, okay? All right. This is the module 1 of test 4, okay? So we're gonna finish with module 2, okay? Sooner or later, okay? Thank you. I'll see you in next video.